What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this lovely morning, Saturday morning, and welcome to this POV review. Today I'm finally taking a look at a tuned Golf 8R. We've had so many Golf R's, but they're always 6s, 7s, 7.5s, and like 2 years ago we did the review on the normal Golf 8R when it was released, or was it even longer than that? But we never got offered a Golf 8R with a tune. But today is the day, finally. So, you guys like a Golf R, we know, because every time we do one we get a good amount of views. So I'm happy to present you this. This is Mohammed's Golf 8R with all the right options and the right tuning. So let's do a quick walk around and let's get driving. So we have Michelin Pilot Sport, so we have Continental Sport Contact 7s, great tire, really. We have these performance brakes, perforated brake disc. Recently had new brakes on there, which I do really like, before people come here, that they you know, have a little maintenance to make sure the car performs as it should. A Krapovich back box with the quad exhaust, really cool looking, I think. Titanium back box, so it's also a bit of weight saving. And let's check out what's underneath here. Oh, you don't get a strut. Wow. So this is the 2-liter TSI we all know and love from Volkswagen. Stock, it has 320 horsepower, 420 newton meters. But this has a bigger inlet hose for the turbo and a new air filter, and this cutout, which apparently gives it more airflow. And of course a stage 1 tune for the gearbox and for the engine. So we now have 110 horsepower extra and 120 newton meters. So that's 430 horsepower and 550 newton meters, just with a little software and a piece of piping. How insane is that? How insane is that? So, does it really benefit from it? Let's find out. So, this has been the least appreciated part, I think, of the Golf 8R, the interior. A lot of people complain about it, as did we with the infotainment system. That was a bit laggy. I guess there have been a few software updates in the meantime. So, the Golf 8R seats, really lovely looking with that blue accent running across, little like carbon fiber pattern on there. They are really comfortable and nice supportive seats, so nothing to complain there. And of course, I forgot to mention that this car has lost its OPF. I don't know how, you know, it just walked around and suddenly it was like, oh shit, where is it? So it's gone. Let's change the driving mode by pressing the R right there. Yes, and then we want race mode, and then we have to do this, go to brakes, and then no, brakes. There's the ESC, apparently it's a braking feature, and then we want to turn it all the way off, because the ESC system doesn't like the tune. It's constantly interfering, and I don't like that. I don't like to be interfered. Oh. So what I really like about this engine and DSG generation is that they run very lightly, you know. In that respect, it's definitely an upgrade over the 7.5R. It's a lot, you know, easier. It's more vivid, the whole drivetrain. It's just very snappy, very quick, and you know, the engine revs up very quickly too. So it also has quite a short gear ratio, and it does make it feel very quick. particularly when you have 100 horsepower extra. So combine that with the DSG tune and you just have a very, very fast and snappy car, which I definitely like. You always need a bit of time to appreciate the differences between, you know, a car and its successor. I think it's always a bit disappointing when, you know, this is more of a evolving car, you know, the Golf R in its package. It's been a 2-liter TSI DSG since Gen 6. So it's always when the successor comes, you need a bit of time to appreciate all the differences, because they are quite nuanced, the differences. So yeah, you need a bit of time to appreciate them. Let's do a launch control. Oh, let's get rid of this techie. Where is it? Where's the good one? Come on. There it is. So, launch control. Oh, that's aggressive and very, very quick. So, stock, it does 4.7 and that was a 3.9. So that's a lot quicker. Oh man, this thing, when you give it some, it's just gone. Honestly, it's very quick. Even for its power number, like 430 horsepower. It also seems to have quite a aggressive limited slip diff, because when I push it, it just, you know, arrows into that corner. And it doesn't move to the outside, so that's a good thing. That used to be the big Golf R problem. And maybe the whole VW group had a tendency of going outside of the corner instead of the inside. So how does it perform on the Autobahn? Well, little spoiler alert, rather well. When I did the first measurement, I was like, wow, that's proper performance. You don't get the you know, mechanical experience you get from a PDK, where you really feel the gearbox being fast. Here you're just observing it being fast, but it's great nonetheless. The whole car is just magnificent, really. The guys at MTR have done an amazing job. It really is very, very, very fast. That was 275 already. This is a very, very impressive package. Just a stage 1 tune. How is it this quick? Really? Don't go left. Ah, shitty van. But 100 to 200 under 9 seconds, which I think is just magnificent. And the top speed normally is 250, and with the Golf R you can go for an optional 270. Very good Volkswagen that you offer that now. This one doesn't have a limiter anymore, and I did 297 on the speedometer in a Golf. So that's like, well, what's that, 290? So wow, in every way this thing very, very, very impressive, really. I was waiting for a tuned Golf 8R for a long, long time, and now I got one. I really like it. So guys, if any one of you who's watching has a Golf 8R with a tune who's maybe even faster than this, send us an email, send us a DM on Instagram. I want to drive it and test it. Well, let's open the back windows. See what it sounds like in the tunnel. We have that Akrapovic exhaust, which is not even that present. It's quite good in that respect. Only on upshifts and downshifts it gives a few pops and... Oh, there's a doggy in that car. No, we're not going to pop the exhaust because I want to see that dog. Hi doggy! Going to put it into comfort mode. Don't want to scare the dog. Ah, he's inside again. I guess that was it, guys. Thank you so much, Mohammed, for letting me drive your tuned Golf 8R. Thanks to you guys for watching this video. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right here. You can check out this video or check out this playlist of reviews if you're having a lazy Sunday. Bye guys.